high-performing organizations treat AI as a visible, shared process, a blueprint laid out on a table where people learn side by side. Technology is moving so fast that attempting to master it in isolation is like trying to frame a house in a hurricane. By the time you understand one model, 3 more have dropped. This network graph represents a traditional corporate training model. Relying on one-off sessions or a single solitary expert, that bright node in the center leaves the rest of the organization in the dark. Eventually, that central expert overloads and the entire system breaks down. Success requires a lifelong learning system, an organizational framework built for continuous adaptation. This framework must be established before a single piece of new AI software is actually deployed. Strategy and planning is the first step. Assess your current state and map the blank spaces, the capability gaps, drawing clear connections to your goals. Planning requires defining success metrics. Unless these directly map to business objectives, you risk wasting effort on false starts. Surviving the AI shift requires a moment of pause. Organizations must stop the immediate technological panic to first align the human community around a shared strategic blueprint. Once the initial strategy is set, the real work begins on the shop floor, with implementation and execution. This phase requires selecting specific AI tools, assembling the right teams, and figuring out how to navigate the inevitable budget and staffing constraints you will encounter. Organizations often encounter significant friction during this transition. Introducing new AI tools can cause hesitation and anxiety across the workforce, creating a barrier to adoption. Top-down mandates can stall when met with this cultural friction. Progress is more sustainable when organizations focus on demonstrating specific benefits and investing in human capability. Effective implementation systematically dismantles the friction of change by providing structured human support. This support works through active, visible knowledge transfer. As one person masters a tool, they immediately practice handing that knowledge off to a peer. Implementation should happen in phases. Breaking AI adoption into clear milestones and scheduled review points reduces risk and builds confidence across the team. Ongoing training and documentation are vital. As shown in this flowchart, when one node learns a skill, that knowledge is documented, duplicated, and passed down the line. This removes the dependency on single individuals. A lifelong learning system functions on the principle that skills are not to be hoarded. Shared practice is an organization's primary survival mechanism against rapid technological change. Successful AI integration creates a culture where the moment one person masters a workflow, it becomes a shared asset for the entire community. Stepping back from the workbench allows the organization to see the broader results through measurement and optimization. Accountability is necessary to ensure the system is working. Organizations must track progress against the business objectives defined at the start of the project. Measuring the impact of AI is a distinct challenge. Success requires investing time early on to design metrics that are both meaningful and quantifiable. This cyclical feedback loop shows how continuous learning requires flexibility. You measure real-world results, adjust your trajectory, and feed data back to make the system stronger. Governance and risk management provide a protective boundary, keeping the organization safe while the internal loop grows. Because AI models will perpetually evolve, the work of designing these systems is never truly finished. A lifelong learning system builds a resilient, flexible community that can weather technological shifts long after today's specific tools have been replaced. The system remains effective as long as it is open to anyone willing to pull up a chair, sit down, and learn.